Hey, hi friends, welcome to this channel. Friends, if you like my videos, then please subscribe to this channel, like and share this video. Thank you. So friends, today in this video we are watching the modular wardrobe designs. There you can see there are the beautiful designs with different colors, different size. So friends, if you like our designs or you have any queries, you can ask me in the comment box. So when we are making the modular wardrobe, we should know some benefits of the wardrobe. A modular wardrobe design offers numerous advantages that can help reduce clutter in your wardrobe and create a more organized and efficient space. So there are some several benefits, like first one is the customization. Modular wardrobe designs for bedrooms are highly customizable, allowing you to design the interior layout according to your specific needs and preference. You can choose different shelves, drawers, hanging rods, and accessories tailored to systematically accommodate your clothing, shoes, accessories, and other belongings. Another benefit is the space optimization. Modular wardrobe designs for small bedrooms are designed to maximize your available space. They can be fitted into any size or the shape of the room, including corners, nooks, and irregular areas. This optimization helps you use every inch efficiently, preventing wasted space and making room for more items without crowding the wardrobe. Another advantage is flexibility. As your storage needs change, modular wardrobe designs for smaller bedrooms can quickly adapt to accommodate those changes. You can add or remove shelves, drawers, and other components as required, ensuring your wardrobe remains organized even as your belongings evolve. Another advantage is accessible storage. With a modular wardrobe, you can design sections for different categories of clothing and accessories, such as pants, dress, shoes, and accessories. This division makes finding and accessing specific items easier, reducing the time spent through cluttered place. Another advantage, it enhances the organization. A modular bedroom wardrobe often have various organizers such as divider partitions and adjustable shelves